Using Sezzle at checkout is easy and allows you to make purchases while paying over time. Here's how to do it. Create a Sezzle account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Sezzle account via their website or app. Provide your information and link a payment method. Shop online. Browse online retailers that accept Sezzle. Look for the Sezzle logo during your shopping experience. Add items to cart. Select the items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. Proceed to checkout. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart and click checkout. Select Sezzle as payment option. At the payments tab, choose Sezzle as your payment method. You may need to log into your Sezzle account if prompted. Review payment terms. Sezzle will show you the payment plan, typically split into 4 interest-free installments. Review the details and confirm. Complete the order. Finalize your purchase by clicking Complete Order. You will receive a confirmation, and the first payment will be charged immediately. Manage payments. Keep track of your payment schedule through the Sezzle app.